Yeah, boy!
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, the brand new KRSNA YouTube channel. So in this video, I will tell you how you can download any video, whether it is on YouTube, Instagram or Facebook or on any other platform. All you have to do is follow my simple instructions mentioned in this video. First of all, click on the link given in my description. Then after clicking on that link, when the link is opened, I have given a decryption key in my description itself. You can copy paste it and download the app. After downloading the app, install it. When the app download will be complete, you will install it. Guys, if you are getting a problem regarding running of this application, most of the people will not get this problem while installing this app. But if you are getting in this trouble, watch my previous video. In that video, I show you that how you can run this app or any outside app or any third-party app in your computer. This will not harm your PC. This is a simple app. You can download from anywhere, but here I have just given you a link. From that you can now
Got him! Got him!
click on run. Let this process complete. It will take few minutes. I agree to license terms and conditions, then click on install.
Like a student though, working on a movement, yeah, I'll do it cause I'm in the zone. And you know that I'm ready for the shows. How it goes, I don't know, but I'm waiting till I'm chose. One roll, here I go.
While the setup is running on your screen, you should have a active internet connection because it requires few downloads in this whole process.
Everything's inflated, mainly everyone's invaded. Privacy is naked, man, I really hate it. I just wanna make
After the installation, click on launch. If you are getting this update, you can skip it or install it, but I am skipping it for now. Now your video downloader is all ready. All you have to do is paste YouTube links or whatever you want to see here. Everything will be downloaded easily. I'm going to show you. For example, this is a video. If I want to download it, click on share and click on copy. See, it will automatically check your video link and start phrasing it. See,
It's gonna unload.
now you can download it in your desired quality. You can also extract audio from this video, or you can also change format of this video, whether MP4 or MKV. You can also download subtitles in case if you want to download it, then click on download. If you didn't activated your video downloader, then you will get 30 downloads per day. Thank you guys, this is up for today. Please like this video. If you are new, then subscribe my channel and also hit the bell icon so that you can watch my upcoming videos. Thank you.